The Johannesburg High Court has ruled that schools cannot favour any one religion in a landmark judgment. The court said promoting one religion over another violates the Schools Act. The Organisation for Religious Education and Democracy had brought the case against 6 state-funded schools who had committed themselves to offering a teaching from a Christian perspective. Hans Peterson from Organisation for Religious Education and Democracy argued that it is not fair for state-funded schools to promote a particular agenda or embrace it. The case was opposed by the 6 schools as well as Solidarity and FAVOUR, who acted as a friend of the court on behalf of the schools. ANN7 reporter Untitled joins us live from Johannesburg. A very good morning to you, Untitled. Thank you so much for joining us. Could you just tell us what is expected to... Well, actually, can you just talk us through the judgment rather that was delivered in the court today?
From a variety of... Good morning to you, Gio, and to our viewers at home. As we came here in the morning, we expected ruling on the case of the religion in schools. And they say that no one religion is forced in the schools. So basically, religion is not forced in any school. Joining me now is Mr. Peter, who's going to give us his thoughts and feelings on the ruling. Mr. Peter, can you please tell us how you feel about the judgment?
I think from a Christian perspective, we are very glad that the judge decide that the governing bodies can still decide upon the ethos of schools. So that means that schools can continue without excluding any children, and if people have a problem with the way in which a school conducts itself, then that specific school must pay attention to the matter and must make sure that it doesn't exclude any children, but from a Christian perspective, we're very glad.
And moving from here, are you planning to oppose or apply?
No, as far as I'm concerned, we are glad the decision was made as it's made.
Okay, thank you. That was Mr. Peter Boshoff from Manuku Christian Institute saying that they are glad that no specific religion was ruled out of schools, and the court that ruled out that religion is not forced in school. So basically, school learners can choose any religion that is being offered or provided by schools. Back to you in studio, Gil.
Well, thank you so much for that update. We had a bit of a sound issue there with our reporter, but what she was saying to us, is that a ruling has been granted that no religion can be excluded in the schools, and no one school can decide to be a Christian school because that is against the Schools Act of the country.